welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is LaShondacapri. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tone my hair and get this platinum blonde look. I'm not even going to hold you guys up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. Make sure you thumbs up this video, share, and let's just go ahead and jump straight into this video. So I shampooed my hair and conditioned it. I didn't use any type of special shampoo or conditioner. I just used Suave. I think that's what it's called. It's my husband's shampoo and conditioner, and I just use what he uses most of the time. I did take a towel and kind of damp my hair dry just a little bit. I don't want my hair to be too dry because with the toner, your hair isn't supposed to be completely dry. So I did just damp it dry with a towel. This is what my hair is looking like. Now, when I bleach, also known as process my hair, I only did it on the roots of my hair. I did not do it on the tips. I did it in the roots as much as possible because if my ends was already bleached, there made no sense for me to bleach it again. So why go through damage and bleach your whole entire head again when you could just bleach your roots? So yeah, save yourself some damage on your hair, sis. So before I jump into toning my hair, I am gonna put some shea butter and some coconut oil in my hair. Usually I would put some leave-in conditioner in there, but I ran out. So I'm just gonna do with what I have. I'm using this coconut oil and I'm gonna be using some African shea butter. So I'm just gonna rub that into my hair. And I'll also make sure I get my edges really good. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of shea butter. Now I take a good bit of the shea butter. I'm just gonna rub it into my hair on my edges. Okay, there we go. Now the toner that I will be using, it is by Wella, and I'm gonna be using the T14. Gives you more of like a silver platinum color, which I absolutely love. I love dyeing my hair platinum. It's so beautiful on me, and it's been my go-to for about maybe 4 or 5 years now. I will insert a clip right here, that way you can get a feel of what color your hair will be after using this exact toner. Next, what you're gonna need is your cream developer, and on the box it says to use a 20 volume developer, but I do not have that right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use what I have, but I'm gonna take it off sooner. 20 developer, it kind of takes slower. When you go up to a 40 developer, it takes a little bit faster. It speeds up the process. So I'm just gonna use what I have, and then I'm going to take it off sooner than I'm supposed to. Before I jump straight into this video, I wanna say I am not a professional. This is a disclaimer. This is not recommended for you guys to bleach and tone your hair and thinking that it's gonna look just like mine. It has been beneficial to me for the past 4 or 5 years. So with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. It's super easy to mix up your toner. For every 1 box of toner, you're gonna mix 2 parts of developer. Now the toner is 1.4 ounces, so you will mix 2.8 ounces of developer. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my developer into a bowl. Now I put my developer in the Wella bottle to measure, just to make sure I am doing this correctly. So if you wanna make sure that you're doing it correctly, just put the developer inside of the Wella bottle to make sure that you are putting 2/8 developer into the toner. So I could not find my daggone brush to mix this with, so I just grabbed a little comb and I'm just gonna mix this up. Now I'm all done mixing. To know that you're at the correct consistency, you wanna mix it until it gets like jelly-like. It's kind of like jello. It gets kind of thick and jello-y. I did grab me some gloves and a towel just in case. So let's start applying this to my hair. So now I have that all in my hair. I am gonna wait 15 minutes. The box says wait up to 30 minutes, but like I said earlier, I use a 40 developer instead of a 20 developer. So I'm gonna split that time in half and keep it on for 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys later. I am back. It's been about 15 minutes, and as you can see, my hair looks gray. I put some gloves back on, and I'm gonna massage into it again before I jump into the shower, just to make sure that I'm getting everything. And I will see you guys in a few minutes. This is the results of my hair. I went ahead and laid my hair down. Typically I would use a purple shampoo to get a more like grayish color, but the toner did its job. It did it perfectly. My hair is platinum like I wanted. Again guys, I want to say I am not a professional. This is just how I like to do my hair and tone my hair. That is the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Again, if you like this video and enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys later.